so. Yeah, I'm recording. Welcome to my channel, people. If you're first time joining me, this is Exploration here, Shanwar from Exploration, and I am going to make some chili sauce for you today. Very easy, very simple chili sauce. Normally buy this in the Chinese shop or in Oriental shops. I'll show you the last one my wife bought. Yeah, so this is the brand my wife bought the last time, and I think I can do better than that. So come with me, I'll show you the process. Over here I have a tiny piece of ginger and some garlic. I've already cut the 3 pieces of garlic that I'm going to use, and now I'm just scraping a tiny bit of ginger. Hope you can all see that. I'm not using big wood because I'm not going to make lots and lots, and I just want the ginger to give the sauce a bit of flavor, tiny bit of heat to complement the ginger. So just like so, we have okay, just crushing that to make it a bit more infused. Yeah, so you can't hear the crunch. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so there we have some ginger with a piece of garlic. Leave that pot to do its thing. Way. Yeah. And then I'll show you what I'm going to add to that oil. I'm going to add dry ingredients and wet ingredients. So where should we start? Literally down the scene. I'm going to throw those star anise in. Cardamom, people. I'm going to throw 2 black cardamoms in as well. Tiny bark, piece of cinnamon bark is going in. Yep, that's how it's looking, people. Gonna go in as well. Drop my bay leaves in there. I'm not going to put the fire on high heat because I don't want these things to burn. Remember now, the idea is to just get the flavor. That crushed ginger and garlic is also going in. Now you can smell those flavors. So I'm just going to leave that to do its thing, people. While it's heating, people, I have a lot of chili here. I'm just going to put these chili flakes in a pot like so. I'm adding all it. Maybe that was a bad idea, but I added all of it. And I'm just going to pour that onto that. People, I'm just going to turn the pot off. I'm going to now remove these spices. There's something to remove them. Yep, so just removing those spices. Now I have this nice infused oil, and I'm just going to yes, people. So here's a dose of honesty for you now. The first time I did this, I just literally pour all the hot oil into the chili, but I saw a man, and that created a big steam and pop. But I saw the man give me an idea. He said to gradually, to avoid that big sizzle and that big pop, just gradually add the oil to the chili. So let's try that. Just like this. Clumsy, like so. Actually, I like the excitement. That's a bit boring. I like to hear the sizzle. So I'm just going to add it to the sauce like so. Oh. Aye, it's hot, but not as hot as I thought, people. Yeah, so there you have it. Easy homemade chili sauce. Gonna leave it now just to cool down a bit, to marry each other. You can at this stage add some paprika, hot paprika, if you want the sauce to be even hotter, or you can just leave it like this. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna add some fresh chili to it. Hold on. So here I have a fresh bottle of crushed chilies, and I'm just going to add a little bit to it. Just like so. I'm not getting that sizzle. I need to hear that sizzle. Let me just warm it up on the fire. I'm going to warm it up on the fire a little bit until it reaches smoking point. Yep, my chili oil. If you could smell this, people, the flavors. Don't want it to burn. You can see the smoke coming up. I'm just going to turn the flames down a bit. To low. There you have it. Now I can hear that sizzle. Now we have a hot, super hot chili oil. My wife don't have to go buying this ship in the shop no more. From Chow chili oil to exploration chili oil. Yeah, that's the situation right there. Thanks for joining me as I made this video. Only thing I'm going to do now is let this cool, and then I'm gonna bottle it up. Probably I will even use this same bottle. Yep. Or should I take that off and put Exploration branding and then sell it to Tesco or one of them big supermarkets? So there you have it, people. Just like that. Simple as that. Homemade chili oil. Made by your boy, Exploration. Please remember to give my video a like. Please remember to share and subscribe to my channel for some more amazing content coming up. Yes, people. So it's day 2, and I will just show you my chili sauce that I made yesterday. That's how it's looking. I think I made a mistake though, because after I added the hot oil to the chili, I wasn't happy with the sizzle what I was getting. Therefore, I heated this oil up until it smoked, and it's still smelling good, still looking good. And I tried some and it tastes really good. So I'm going to add it to this bottle. Rather than having a new bottle, I'm just going to recycle the one that my wife had. So here goes. Leave it, if you put wet spoon in it, then it will go moldy. So this dry spoon, stir around. And just like that, people. Nice chili sauce ready to be added to your favorite recipes. Homemade by your boy, Exploration. So please do like, share, subscribe, check my video out. Very easy to make. Yes, people, so here's the finished job of our chili sauce, and what I'm going to do now is I've sterilized some containers, so I'm just going to pour the rest of this in the containers.
In the system.
This with some ingredients, and I could label it. Ah, that smell is an exceptional tasty sauce. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you will give the video a like, subscribe to my channel, and guess what? I will see you in the next one, inshallah. Alright, have a nice day, people. Over and out.
Yes, come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eyes. So I pick my heart up off the floor, move my feet closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more. I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. Oh, girl, I see you over there hesitating, deliberating. You keep me waiting on a sign, looking at the corner of your eye. So I pick my feet up off the floor, move my hips closer to yours, catch my breath and